In this guide, I'll show you how to get the image or decal ID for Roblox on your mobile device. First, open the official Roblox app from your home screen. From the bottom navigation menu, tap More in the bottom right corner, scroll down and select Create. Next, tap the navigation icon in the top left corner, then go to Creations. Scroll across until you see Development Items and select it. In this submenu, scroll across again and tap Images. If you've uploaded any images, they'll appear here. To get the ID number for an image, simply tap the 3 horizontal dots next to it and select Copy Asset ID. You can also do the same for decals. Just go to the Decals tab, tap the 3 horizontal dots and choose Copy Asset ID. And that's it. That's how you get an image or decal ID for Roblox on your mobile. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing.